Finally, he sleeps here. Today we're checking out A Premium's OBD2 scanner and code reader. This is the AD200 model, AD200. We got our hands on this and want to test it. We have a lot of OBD2 readers here at the shop, and every vehicle that we have, every car that we use for either a pilot vehicle if we're going to shows, actually my dailies, and even my wife's car, I always keep an OBD2 reader in the glove box just to have on hand in case something goes wrong. All of our cars around here, even in the shop vehicles and stuff, we tend to gravitate towards older models and stuff that we can repair. It's great to make content on, and that's an excellent excuse for driving crappy cars. But having this, it does save your life so many times to have an OBD2 reader on hand just to see what you're dealing with. Everybody sees that engine light come on and panic. It's like you feel your gut tighten up, and it's like the exact opposite of that butterfly feeling when you meet somebody new. It's like this person is Satan. That's what the engine light is. And if this is good for anything, it can be peace of mind to go, well, I can make it home with what's going on. So we're going to open this up and check this out. And I've got a product sheet here with it to explain what's going on with this one. And hopefully this is nicer than the OBD2 scanners, that the one that is in the truck right now. It actually looks like it is. Let's open it up and check it out. Oh, this is big. This is much larger. And it has a USB cable. So I guess you can upload data directly to the car. That is a substantial model. Is there a plastic cover? No, no cover on it. That is a substantial OBD2 reader. That is quite possibly the biggest one we have here at the shop. And not in a bad way, just because. This is made by A Premium, which is the brand, and their tagline is to make aftermarket auto parts an afterthought. A Premium. This has a lot of stuff going on with it. It can let you read codes, you can clear codes. It has a data stream, which provides real-time data streams displaying live performance and sensor data for diagnostics. That's something the OBD readers that we're using now, other than the one professional model that we have here at the shop, do not do. It has freeze frame, built-in function to look up diagnostic trouble codes, the DTC lookup, explaining their meanings for easier understanding. If you've ever borrowed one from the dealership to check a code, they usually do that, so that's exciting. It has emissions system readiness, helping users ensure the vehicle meets monitoring standards before like an emissions test. Voltage view, VIN information. It can pull VIN information to be able to double check. EVAP system test, onboard monitoring. The O2 sensor test. Test the functionality of oxygen sensors, ensuring the efficiency of the emission system. And then it does have saves and revisits previous diagnostic results, including fault codes, real-time data, and test records, and shares with technicians. I guess that's you can also have the cable so that you can update. It does have product updates that go along with it. Real-time data curve, so you can display sensor data like engine load, oxygen voltage, dynamic graphs. All of this from this OBD2 sensor is fantastic. It does allow you to connect it to a computer and use a PC or printer to actually print out your review of what you are actually pulling up. It says it has a high definition color display on the 2.8-inch digital display with true colors, 320 by 240 pixels. We only have one other full color OBD2 reader, and it's kind of a simple, silly thing, but it does make a big difference. It's like if they're telling you that there's something wrong with your engine, if you can see it in color, it's not quite as bad. It's not real, but swear to God, if it's in color, it actually does look better. So let's take this out to the shop truck and test it out. I want to see exactly what this thing looks like and see if we can find anything wrong with the project truck. Display is crazy bright. It's not touchscreen or anything, but let's check this. Entering system. It is full color. Vehicle has no fault codes. Nice. There's also multiple languages on this, which is fantastic. Evap system. Leak test passed. O2 sensor. Erase codes. I'm impressed. It does everything you need it to do. Bright display, onboard data stream, fuel system status, intake, O2 sensor, fuel trim. This actually does have a lot. There is a lot more available through this reader than you're going to get from almost anything else on the market. There is some crazy premium features that come with this. If you're looking for more than just a generic OBD2 reader and you want something that's got the ability to actually monitor the car and diagnose more than just read the code and erase the code, this is the reader for you. That's it. That's the OBD2 reader from A Premium. AD200 is the code. Link to pick one of these up for yourself is in the description of the video below. I am FinallyHeSleeps. I hope this information helped. If it did, make sure you subscribe here on the GearHeads channel. Turn on notifications so you never miss when a video goes live. Thanks a lot, guys. As long as you keep showing up, I'll keep making videos.
Finally he sleeps, finally he dreams. In a world of games it seems